Alrighty guys, Solo is back with Foundry, and as always we are here, and what I did since the last stream, I organized a little bit the base. I also did my research. We have nearly all Scientific 1 researchers, which is pretty good, I have to say. Now we have the problem that we need Sciencepack 2. Sciencepack 2 are made like this. We have 6 conveyor belts and 12 platforms, which is a little bit shitty, but first of all let me show you what I did here around. We have our main line with the rods and the plates. They go into that machine. That machine gives me... wait a little bit, because I hear it right now. Let's go back with this. I think that's better. What do we see here? We made 40 go in, no, go out. That's the output. With 40 small parts, I don't see machine parts. You have to get very close to see that. 40 come out, because we only take in, you don't see it, 20 machine parts per minute on this side and that side, so that means we have a surplus of 20. That's the reason why we have 2 machines, and we get 2 scientific packs out per minute. So we get out 4 packs, which go back in there. But oh, because we have 2 machines, I also have to use a conveyor belt. The nice thing is you can do the conveyor belt like this, toggle the output. Where should the output go? To the left side with the input, and you see it goes out and it goes in. We could also build 2 inserters, but yeah, why did I not use 2 inserters? Who cares, I wanted to use the conveyor belt. And right now we have 50 sand bags, 1 in there, and we have filled most of them up. With 4 machines, that means we are 4 times faster. Also, I'll let it a bit... I keep some space to add more scientific machines. But right now we have another quest to do with our nice little Bebop. Hello Bebop. What quest do you have? Lights.
Are you feeling a little spooked when it's dark? No worries, BB. We can create some light poles to brighten up our nights.
Is that everything? Then let's build some light bulbs. Where are they? Decorations, I think. Yep, light bulbs. We have them, and let's see, build them. Light bulb. Where should we build it? Because he's scared. Let's build it right around. Needs 1 block away. So, we have a light bulb. Are you happy now? That should finish the quest, or build 5. Come on, build 5 of them. I should have some over there, if I'm not incorrect. 1. Then we need 3 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 too many. Then let's build them. Where are they? Over there. 1 there. 1 here. Everything a little bit more shiny. And still 1 to go. Yeah, we finished the quest. Hallelujah, look at that.
Oh yes, you've illuminated my perspective. Things are looking exceptionally bright around here.
Good, is that all? Then let's go over here. I need some materials, and you have them. That is the deposit for the scientific machine and so on and so forth from beforehand. So where are my assemblers? I have 4 assemblers. Let's think about it logical. We have to build Sciencepack 2. We need conveyor belts. What do we need for conveyor belts? we need machine parts and iron. So we have to build one machine part. Trickery. Should we build in that direction? Also, I thought about it. I did some tests. We can go underground. I think we have the stairs. Yep, we have stairs and ladders and rails and so on and so forth. But for the first time playing that game, I won't go into the underground. Only when I know how to build all the machines efficiently, I will do it. If you look at that, you can build that a little bit better. Maybe stack them on them or stack double the buildings up or down. But we will see about it. First of all, let's go with a machine building. We take that there. Let's see, configure for building block that needs rods and what was the other one? Conveyor belts. It needs machine parts. That means we do machine parts over here. We get 40 machine parts out. And let's see. We need a little bit more space. It's good that I finished cleaning up space out here. So then let's go back. Where are my machines? We have to let at least 4 free. 1, 2. I don't know how big it is. So we have our conveyor belts. How many can we do? It takes in 20 and 40. Okay, it's the same setup as here, but we need a little bit more. That means we also do conveyor belts here. And maybe we did an oopsie, but hey, that's not such a problem. Now I switched the locks. V is now the deselect. There, yeah, it's on the same height. We have the conveyor belts which come out. Conveyor belts go into a storage because we also need them for us to do. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe I could have switched them up, but hey, it's not me who will be. Is there not an easier way to insert output? Maybe not. Insert, insert. Output, output. Good. What you also need is some metal cases like that and like this. That's for the metal. We have conveyor belts over here. Also, we need some down there. I have to say, I love that game. I have not played a factory game in a long time, and it makes me somehow happy. We could make a splitter up here and take some over there. And we need one over there and one over there. How do we do that? An inserter around here. And what should we do with it? First of all, get rid of that and that. And I should have some splitters. If we split it up, it goes in and we split everything up. It goes around. If we do it like that. Okay, that's good. Then we need... And you go down. How did I do that? Double click and you can drag it a lot more easier. That's not so bad. Then we need 3 lines. Okay, how do we do that? If we use it like that. Split it up. Split it up. Then we have something like that, I think. I don't connect it right now. I think we should do it like that, not like that. That's not the right one, that one. And we do it like this, and we go around here. And go like this. And the last one comes over here. Maybe they have to change a little bit how that system works. It's a little bit cumbersome. So I should look at it. We have 3 right now. 1 goes in there, 2 goes in there. I think we have connected everything, and that should create conveyor belts. Come on, show me what you can do. Split it up, split it up. It's not the fastest one, but we can only put in there 3 of them. And there we have the main line, which goes straight out. The only problem is, how do we get our rods away? Maybe I have to go underground. Even if I don't want to. That is the nice thing. Opposite to Factorio, we can go on in all 3 dimensions. Up, down, left, right. So the first lane is full. Only 3 go in there. 6 go in there. That's okay. Hopefully we are fast enough. They are building some blocks. It goes in there. Or... oh, I forgot something very important. We exert, and the same goes for that. Export, export. Now we should... yep, both are going. And I think the middle one is a little too fast, but that's good enough, I think. We only need some conveyor belts. And we have 1 bar done. The next one is the building blocks. How do we get the building blocks out of here? We first need an assembler. Let's do it like that. Configure. We need the rods and plates. The plates are not the problem, but the rods are. We have to do a little work for that. Just over here. Should we go straight with the plates or... yeah. Maybe we split them up a little bit too much, but hey. For science, my friends, for science. Then how do we get our rods out of here? Ah, I see what we can do. I see it. I see it, my friends. We go over there. A little bit higher. We go straight. Oh, no, don't go that direction. Why are you doing that? And maybe a little bit too far. And now we go down. If we go down, oh yes. Oh, it's very nice. And we do the same thing over here. There. Sharp curve. And let's go in. Hopefully it's not going in there. I don't think it does. Because then we have a problem. So we need a little splitter. First of all, get away with that, get away with that. We do it like this. You go there. And it's calibrating on its own. Very good. That should be enough to create. Deselecting is such a pain in the ass. We have our building blocks and they also go into a container. Why do we need to build two of them? It looks a little bit silly. You need two, and down. Is there a direct connection later on? Hopefully. Hopefully there is. First of all, where is my nice little container? Like that. Here, over there. This. The good thing is I don't need to craft them anymore. The bad thing is I click on the wrong button. And why do I make two? I only need one. Insert or extract, insert. And how is it working? It's working quite good. How many do we get out of there? We get more of them than with what is going in, okay. But we get enough of them. Let's see, now we need to combine them in an assembler. For that we need more of those. It's quite nice that we built them now. Let's see, where's my assembler? It's always a little bit longer to do those things. I don't know if we need one or two assemblers. But everything is working as intended. Hopefully. I could say they split up right here. Input is okay. Output priority. If I do that one, then we should get more on the left side. Or we only, yeah, that's not good. We only get on the left side. That's a bad thing. But hey, we get enough of those and enough of those. Yeah, let's keep it like that. First of all, build him around here at least. Maybe not like this. We do it another way around. I love that when the panels go all in the same direction. Change the recipe to science. Output 2, 12 in, 24 in. How many do we get out of here? We get out 40 in the minute, 40 of those. Wait a little bit. We have 40 here in a minute. Is that too slow? I think we have now a problem with our main line. It cannot go in there, it goes there. We split it up too much, I think. Which is not good. I thought when it's not going out there, it's going there. Then maybe we need a little bit more. Not smelters, I think. Or should we build a known smelter line? First of all, let's do it a little bit manual until we have everything. So it can produce a little bit more. Build the inventory. That's better. And then we build a little backlog over here. We could do the same over here, but that is enough. And how many do we have of them per minute? Come on, show me. Can I crouch? No. Output, how many are those? We have 40 on the left side, 40 in the middle. That's okay. Per minute we have 80 in a minute. It takes 12 and 24 of those. Let me change the recipe. 120 per minute. That's a lot. That means we have 80 at least. How many can we create of the Stimpaks? We say we have 80. It needs 12 more. We can build 2, 3. We have 36 and 4 assemblers. Then we are at 48 and 95 assemblers. 5 assemblers would be 50, 60, 60 to 120. 60 to 120. I think that's enough what we can do. We have still a surplus of conveyor belts, which is okay because I also want to use them. Then, yeah, we have to do a little work. How many did I say? 5. 5 assemblers should be possible. Also, how should we export them on the same conveyor belt? I don't think so. We could build them all in a row. Back, back, back. In between of them. We do something like that. How does it look? I have not said that you should do that. And down it goes. See some assemblers. We need 1, 2, 3, 4. A little bit too much. We have one. We only need 3. So we build them like that. In here, I think it's good, or should we do it like that? We can get a little bit closer. 1, 2, 3, 5. Bigger. Stimpak, and the first time that I need the copy function. Copy target with send and with settings, copy target, shift right click. Okay. Shift left, left, left. Oh, a very nice function. And it makes my life a little bit easier. Exert, insert, 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 insert on that side. And the same on this side. Insert, 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 and now we got a problem. Yep. If we build a little bit higher, that's okay. It looks hideous, but it's okay for me. And let's see. Exert or build up. That should connect over here. Build up. And as always, it's not connecting. What the hell? That system needs a little love. A little bit more time in the oven to cook. Exert. Output. Extraction. We have our conveyor belts going in there. 3 at a time, I think. Same is going on here. I have to say that is very good, and we produce our nice little stimbaks. Still we need 24. I forgot that we need 24 and 18. Yeah, that is a little bit much. Maybe we need a better conveyor belt. But we take care of that when we are finished with it. And now we have to extract everything. And we have to input them in here. I don't think that we get 3 inputs, so how to create... we have to change our setups if we want to get 3 in the... Stimbaks over here. Down here. Should be possible. Nope, that's not possible. I hate you. Okay, let's move it like that. That should be possible. It's intake, output, 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 and output. The nice thing is that we do not move with the conveyor belts. In Minecraft we move with them. And now we have stimbaks. Yes! Finished! Hallelujah! We have enough conveyor belts, we have enough them. I have not looked. It should be enough. However, what I do not like is that we use a lot of plates. I did not want to increase our plate production. How should we do that? What is the best way? What was in Factorio? How did we do it? We took the splitter and we put it on the left side. How can we increase our output? We could introduce a splitter here, but that will not change anything. Take one in, we take one out. All of them are running, except for one. Why have you stopped? You have an output. Yes, but you... Oh, I see what the problem is. You cannot do it like that. You do not get on the belt. All the other ones are going on the belt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then number 8 is going nowhere. That's not very nice. Good, we have to change it a little bit. I know what some of you will think, that looks hideous, but... Hey, I have to work with it, not you. Hey, shit. No, that is not what I wanted. I have not thought about it. I have not thought about it. Shit. Get it. We have to do it different. Building over here, building over there. And for some reason it makes sense. Or maybe not. Output. In there. And output. Now you should be happy. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it. Nothing in here. Oh, because we stopped it. Or it was full, that was the reason. Let's get rid of the excess. And yeah, the operation is running. If it's not very efficient, but it's running. What shall we do? You could kill me, but I have to think about it another way around. We have 3 in there, 3 in there, 3 in there. We should have access over... Oh, we have a lot of access. We have a lot of access. Good. Then let's go for the science. Should we increase the inventory? I researched that. We could go with drill. Let's go with the inventory first. Then what else can we do? Craft speed. Maybe the logistic container. The conveyor belts. Alright, decorations are not as necessary. I think the explosives are the next one. Then we have another ore scanner. Office furniture, basic steel making. Oh, maybe basic steel making. Then we can go down there with a better assembler. With some doors. How deep can we go? Very deep. High voltage. Establish a high voltage energy grid with power poles, transformers and industrial power generators. Boilers, stream tube. Yeah, we are in Factorio. A tank allows to store liquid and gases. How do we get liquid? Ore refinement, we get more ore. Could go down this way, and for the Stimback 3. Cannot have that one. That's okay for me. So, what shall we do? Should we increase our metal production? Or is it fast enough and the only problem is that we fill it up? Wait. Where am I? Maybe I could... are we full there? Yes, we are full here and we are... No. We are not full with the blades. We produce as many plates as we get out. You can see it right there. It goes up and down at the same time. I could do a second extraction point and increase the extraction, but does it do something for me? Let's see. If we do something like that, we get nothing over here. All go over there. Have a better output. That were too many. That was the wrong button. I know I don't need it anymore if I do that, but it looks a little bit strange, but we have to do it. And now we get an extra line out there. Are we extracting more than we produce? I think we do that. Yeah, that looks a little bit strange. Don't like how that looks. That looks better. And now we have enough plates over here. Second line, we have some over there. A constant supply. Also the third one looks good. I think that works better for me. And we are still going strong. We have 300 in there, 200 in there. Maybe we need a container. How far is my research? 71%. Container here. Inserter, extractor. I don't know why I do it, but for some reason I learned it like that. That we also always have a nice little deposit in between our factories, because they are not as fast at extracting, because they only take in 3. I don't know why they do it or how we can change that. It is also, yeah, it's normal that they do that, because you don't want to get all your resources into your machines and then you have to find them all. We have enough of them. Maybe the plates are the difficulties later on. Plates are on the right side. Yeah, we use more plates than we produce. Research complete. Next research, please. Explosive, because we get a new quest, I think. Or should we go for the logistic containers? I want to see what they do. Then guys, I will think about the solution about those things. We have the problem that we don't produce enough plates, so we have to do a little expansion of our nice little smelting factory here. I don't know, should I go up or should I go down? Maybe I should go down. First of all, how does our power grid look like? We have 3.1. How much do they produce? They produce 1.8, 3.1. We need one extra generator after that and go into those things. How much materials do we have left over there? Ah, enough. It's easily enough. I don't see that we ever run out of the resources before the next part begins or Science 3 begins. Even Science 4, it could be enough. Then guys, I will work a little bit off stream or maybe next stream and let's see how far we can go. Then guys, see you until the next time. Bye!